Welcome to Royal Gulf's Booking Software Training Module 4, How to Book Tour Services. There are several tourist attractions and locations around UAE. The tours service allows you to book them with ease, with several flexible options, aimed at providing a custom travel experience. Log into your agent account area, and select the Tours tab. A dialog box will appear, asking if you want to book tours, without booking a hotel room. Click OK, and you will be directed towards the tours page. Click on the From and To Date box, to select the dates, as per the duration of the planned tour. Click on the Tour Starting From box, and hit the spacebar on your keyboard, to list and select from all the locations available in the system. Next, the classification box is for selecting the type of tour you would like to book for. Hit the spacebar on your keyboard, to list down and select from all the types that are available. The next box is Star Category, which can be used for refining the options for tour services. You can also simply click on the box, and press the spacebar button on your keyboard, to list all the star listings. If you leave it blank, it will show all the available listings in the system. The source country will display the country of the guest you are booking for, based on the passport he or she is holding. This is based on how many countries you, the agent, have been authorized to handle. In this case, I've only been authorized for India, hence the country India is the default option for me. Next, please select the number for the senior citizen box, the adult box, and the child box, based on who and the number of people that will be part of the tour. In case of children, another box will appear below, to enter their respective ages. Next, we have three boxes called Private, Sick or Seat in Coach, and Without Transfers. If you select Private, it will list the tours that provide private tour options, to or from the concerned locations. If you select Sick, it will list the tours that provide shared tour options to or from the concerned locations. If you select Without Transfers, it will list the tours that only provide entry tickets, without any kind of tour options, to or from the concerned locations. You can choose all three at the same time, and hit the search bar below, to list all the available tour attractions, or you can limit your search to 2, or 1. Now as you scroll down, you can see the different listings, with the indicative tour option tagged against each one. Under each listing, there is a Select Date box, to schedule your trip for each attraction. The Read More button will give you more information about the attraction. Click on the Select box, to choose the attractions you wish to book for. After you're done selecting the tours you wish to book for, scroll up and click on the Book Selected Tours button. This action will take you to the Services page, that lists all our services on the left, and the services you selected, on the right. If you'd like to look at the details of the existing booking, click on Show All, to see the details of your current package. You can select any or all of the services on the left, make the booking, and add it to the existing package. Click on the Generate Package Value button. A dialog box will appear on your browser, that will ask you to select some of our other services, to avail additional discount. For now, we're going to click OK, and the system will generate the total value of the package. The price that appears for the net sale value will be your price for booking the tours service. Scroll down, and on the left, you will see an agency reference number. You can enter any number you like, as this number will be for your reference. Click on the I accept the terms and conditions box. If you like to cancel or start over, click on the Abandon button, and the page will return you to the home page. If you're ready to make the booking, you can go ahead and click on Book. If not, and you only want to make a quotation, click on Generate Quote. A pop-up box will appear that will ask you to select some of our other services to avail more discount. You can select Back to Booking to choose these other services, or proceed with quote. A pop-up box has appeared with your quote reference number. At the same time, the quotation for your selected package is sent to your registered agent's email ID. You copy the number and close the box. To print the quote, scroll down and click on the Print button. To view, or edit, or to book the quote, scroll up and click on Account, on the top menu bar. Under the Quotes tab, you can enter the quote reference number in the respective box, and click on Search to look up the quotation you generated. Or, you can leave the box empty, and simply click on Search. This will list all the quotation you've generated using the system. Scroll down to see the respective quotation, and click the adjacent Edit/Book button. This will take you, again, to the Services page. Click on the Generate Package Value button and repeat the same steps as before. Scroll down and click on the Book button. A dialog box will appear that will ask you to select some of our other services to avail additional discount. You can select Back to Booking to choose these other services, or proceed with Book. You will be redirected to a page to enter the personal details of the guests. Entering the lead guest name is mandatory, the first and last names of the concerned person. The remaining boxes can be left empty. If transfer services have been purchased, the details will appear in the flight number box, the pickup airport box, and the departure airport box. If the box is empty, simply click on the Not Applicable box, and enter the reason in the box that appears below. Scroll down and click on the I accept the terms and conditions box. And then click on Submit Booking. A pop-up box has appeared with the booking reference number. At the same time, the booking details are sent to your registered agent's email ID. You can copy the number and close the box. To print the booking, scroll down and click on Print. To view or edit the booking, scroll up and click on Account, on the top menu bar. Under the Bookings tab, you can enter the booking reference number you had copied earlier, and click on Search to look up the bookings you made. Or, you can leave the box empty, and simply click on Search. This will list all the bookings you've made using the system. Scroll down to see the respective booking, and click the adjacent Edit button to make changes. And that's it. You're all done with Module 4, Booking Tour Services, using the Royal Gulf's booking software.